watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, we are up with a new video. In this video, we are coming up with a real problems which you can face in Germany. Like, it's gonna be super detailed, super helpful and a very realistic video, so make sure to watch this video till end. If you're watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan is a one-stop solution to make you expert of German language classes. Of German language, we do provide online classes, offline classes, we do provide live session classes, we do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, per module classes, speaking, listening, writing, each and everything we do.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will practice some important German phrases and conversations that you might face when you are at the airport, in a grocery store, or at a bus stop. These situations will help you feel more confident when you are traveling or going about your day in Germany. The first situation is at the airport. So let's see that what all things can happen if you are at the airport and how you can tackle with the situation. The first scenario is if you miss your flight or your flights get delayed. So here are the phrases which you can use. And remember, after these situations, I'm going to tell you the thing what you can actually do in such situation. Entschuldigung, mein Flug hat Verspätung. Was soll ich tun?
Bitte gehen Sie zum Informationsschalter. Wir helfen Ihnen dort weiter.
Ich habe meinen Flug verpasst. Kann ich einen neuen buchen? The second situation which you can face at the airport is that if you lose your passport or tickets, then here are the phrases which you can use. Entschuldigung, ich habe meinen Pass verloren. Können Sie mir helfen?
Haben Sie Ihre Flugtickets bei sich?
Ich habe auch mein Ticket verloren. Was kann ich jetzt tun?
Gehen Sie bitte zum Fundbüro. Vielleicht haben Sie es dort.
Most airports and public transportation systems in Germany have online lost and found portals where you can report and track lost items. The website is on the screen, so in future if you are in such a situation, then you don't need to worry about it. Just follow the rules or just go on the website. In the grocery store. Now in the grocery store, let's say if you need help with weighing the produce, so here are the phrases which you can use. Entschuldigung, wie wiege ich diese Tomaten?
Gehen Sie zum Selbstbedienungswagen, legen Sie die Tomaten darauf und drücken Sie die Taste für Tomaten.
Haben Sie auch schon die Etiketten hier? The next scenario at the grocery store can be that you need to return an item. So again here are some phrases which you can use. Entschuldigung, ich habe dieses Produkt gekauft, aber es ist beschädigt. Kann ich es zurückgeben?
Ja, kein Problem. Haben Sie den Kassenbon?
Ja, hier ist der Kassenbon. Apart from using these phrases, what else you can do is, for the grocery shopping, use the Rewe app. This app checks product availability, promotions and order online from Rewe grocery stores. Apart from this, you can use the website which is on the screen. At the bus stop. The first emergency which you can face at the bus stop is that either you miss the bus or the buses are late. So here are the phrases which you can use. Entschuldigung, habe ich den Bus verpasst?
Ja, der Bus ist gerade abgefahren. Der nächste kommt in 10 Minuten.
Gibt es eine andere Möglichkeit, schnell zum Hauptbahnhof zu kommen? The second scenario can be that you don't know which bus to take. Then again here are some phrases which you can use. Entschuldigung, welcher Bus fährt zum Zentrum?
Der Bus Nummer 5 dorthin.
Wann kommt der nächste Bus?
In etwa 5 Minuten.
Apart from using those phrases, what can actually help you are some German apps. So the first one is DB Navigator, which is Deutsche Bahn app. This app helps you track train schedules, buy tickets and check for delays. The website is available on the screen, so please check it out. Apart from this, the other app is BVG Far Info. This is for public transportation in Berlin and it also provides schedules and route plans. Again, the website is on the screen so you can go and check. If you lost your wallet. In case if you lost your wallet, then you need to report the lost wallet. Entschuldigung, ich habe mein Portemonnaie verloren. Können Sie mir helfen?
Wo haben Sie es zuletzt gesehen?
Ich habe es am Bahnhof verloren. Kann ich bei der Polizei eine Verlustmeldung machen? The second situation is when you need to cancel your bank or credit cards. Ich habe mein Portemonnaie verloren und möchte meine Bankkarte sperren lassen.
Haben Sie Ihre Kontonummer oder die Kartennummer zur Hand?
Ich werde Ihre Karte sofort sperren. Möchten Sie eine Ersatzkarte anfordern? Apart from these phrases, there are some apps which you can use for bank services. So one of them is Deutsche Bank mobile app. So this app will block your bank cards and manage your accounts. The website is available on the screen so you can go and check. And of course, all these websites and apps are available on both iOS and Android.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned a lot of new vocabulary, a lot of new things, new sentence structures. Make sure to subscribe to German Gyan channel. Until then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.